Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete emails on your iPhone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to delete your mails or emails on your iPhone, you will need to first open the mail app. For me it will be this one. It's the iCloud mail. Now if I wanted to delete any one of these mails, I would just simply have to tap and hold on it for a second, and when the dialog box appears, simply scroll down and you can see trash message option available over here. Tap there and it will go to the trash, where it will be cycled and permanently deleted after 30 days. And if you want to see the content and delete it, just tap in, go inside. If it's no use of to yours, since you can see the trash can icon or the delete icon on the bottom left corner of your screen, tap on the trash can icon and the mail will be deleted like this. And there guys, this is how you delete emails on iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.